Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sam, and in today's vlog we are going to see Coraline 3D celebrating the 15th anniversary. How has it been 15 years since the magical release of Coraline? Where did the time go? I figured I'd make a little vlog. Thanks to Leica Studios and Fathom Events, they gave me free tickets to go check out Coraline. Not that they needed to, because I would have went anyways. I went, I think it was last year, maybe the year before, I can't remember. I think last year. But I wanted to make a vlog and take you guys along with us. So Joe actually has to work tonight, so it's probably gonna be like, can't go out to dinner, can't go Halloween shopping. Don't be mad at me, be mad at him, okay? Because he has to work tonight and he's whatever. But I got a costume that I'm gonna be wearing. I'm gonna dress up and go watch Coraline because honestly that movie, it's one of my favorites, and you guys can check out Coraline at a theater near you. This video is not sponsored, but they did gift me a PR box in the tickets, so it's kindly gifted, if you will. But anyways, back to the costume. So I got a costume, so I'm gonna open that with you guys and get dressed for the movie. And then they also sent me this PR box, this Coraline PR box. We're gonna open that as well, just so you guys know, so you guys can get the vibe, get the tone. Sorry, I just got an email that doesn't make any sense, but anyways, just so you guys can get the tone of the day. It is a very gloomy day here in Salem. It was storming, thundering, raining. Now it's not as dark, but it's still like orange-ish outside, and there's like raindrops on the window. So it's like, seems like it's a very autumn, cozy Coraline kind of day. I actually was just filming a bunch of videos today, so be sure you check like my newest videos to see if you haven't missed any, because your ghoul is trying, guys. I'm trying. Stay tuned for a Halloween haul. Got some things from Bath and Body. Gotta do the vlog. I need to edit the vlog of when we went to Monster Mania recently. Stay tuned for all the videos, okay? And if you're watching this with a live chat as a premiere, thanks so much for joining us. And if you're watching it at playback, thanks so much for joining me. But be sure you guys seriously go check out Coraline while you can, okay? When I took Joe, I think last year, he actually had never seen Coraline. Like, what am I doing with him? He was really surprised that he enjoyed it. So I'm excited to have him watch it again. And last time the theater was packed, like all the ghouls and boils went to go see Coraline. So be sure, I will put the link down below. You guys can check your local theaters, the closest theaters. You can watch Coraline, normal Coraline, and then Coraline in 3D. Should we open this box? It's pretty dark in my office because there's no light. What do we think? What do we think? All right, I guess I'll just stay here. So here we have the box. Oh, it says my name. Oh, how sweet. It says, hey Sam, it's time to go back. We can't wait for you to join us in celebration of Coraline's 15th anniversary. Enjoy these 3D glasses, 3D viewer, wig, and complimentary tickets to see the film in remastered 3D starting today. Your friends at Leica. Oh my gosh, look how cool this is. Absolutely amazing. We have our free tickets right here. These can go in like my spooky scrapbook, right? Oh my goodness, so cute, so adorable. Oh my gosh, these 3D glasses are absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness, they're the button eyes. Let me know in the comments if there's anyone who hasn't seen Coraline. Oh, I can't wait to put these on in the theater. I don't have to wear the oh wait, do these come off? Let me check. Stop it, they open up. Oh my god, what the heck? I was gonna say now I can just watch in these comfortable glasses, because sometimes those 3D glasses that the theaters have are like so uncomfortable, but ooh, you better believe I'm gonna be kicking up my feet, hanging out with Coraline, hanging out with YB. Like, this is fantastic. And then when we're on the other side, I'm putting the buttons on. the buttons are closing. These are amazing. Oh my gosh. So cool. They also treated me to a Coraline wig. This is perfect. I ended up buying one with my costume. This one is like an official Coraline wig. Oh my gosh. Even has the dragonfly pin. So if you guys like soundtracks to movies, Coraline has an amazing score. It just makes me so happy. My head might be too big for this. Okay, I think I got it. I'm gonna fix that in a second. Look how amazing this is. So it's a 3D viewer. Oh my gosh, my heart. Coraline, I see you. Oh my god. Oh, Coraline in the garden. Oh, Coraline and Wybie. I told Joe he should have dressed up as Wybie. It would have been iconic, really. How cute. Wow. That's so cool. What a collector item, right? Shout out to the Leica Studios for sending this to me. This is absolutely amazing. Let's go ahead and open up the costume. I actually got this on Amazon. I think, I want to say this is, I can't even remember. It's like a horror company. Oh yes, it's from NECA actually. It is licensed. I ordered a large. I wasn't sure. I feel like I was gonna do either a medium or a large. But I feel like with costumes, and especially like Halloween costumes, they always run super small. So I was like, well, I'd rather it be too large than too small. This one's probably gonna be too small. So we have the Coraline costume here, and this includes the raincoat, the boot tops, the wig, and the hair clip. I should have gotten like a little Coraline doll, or maybe like her little satchel bag would have been really cute. Don't mind my messy office, okay? It's a mess right now. We have the raincoat. How sweet is that? It's raining outside and I'm gonna be dressed up like Coraline in the rain. Alright, so it's pretty big, but that's okay. I was kind of worried that this was gonna be like too heavy duty. Alright, I should have got a medium. Definitely should have got a medium. We have the boot covers, which will go over my shoes. I like that it has like this little buckle adjustment here. But as I was saying, I wasn't sure if the raincoat was going to be like super heavy duty to where it's like annoying to wear. But this one's good, I think. I don't know, I'm kind of scared to get this wig out, which I guess. So we have this we have this dragonfly hair clip right here, and it's more of like a patch, and then this is like an actual hair clip where it's bejeweled, and so I'm not really sure which one I should do. Fix this wig. Hang on one second. Alright guys, I was just filming a reel. I cannot figure this wig out. I feel like it's a little, well, I have like a lot of hair, so that's taking up the majority of the space. These pieces are a little too long, but this is the one in the PR box. I haven't tried the one on that came with the costume, so I'm gonna get dressed and then I'll just put this stuff over my outfit. Oh, see, that's better, like the little side bang. All right guys, this is the final Coraline look. I went with, this is the wig that actually came with the NECA costume. I don't know, I like the other one, but I kind of like the color of this one. I feel like it was more Coraline blue, and I'm going with the hair clip that also came with this wig and not the one that came in the PR package. The back is a little too short. It's a little Kate +8, but that's alright. I look like, in my little raincoat, I do wish I got a smaller size. That's okay. I think I'm going to bring a clip so I can kind of clip it back when I take pictures. The boots were a little misleading. Obviously, it's how it always is on costumes, right? It does what it needs to do for this special occasion, a 15th anniversary of Coraline. Joe, do I look like Coraline?
Yeah.
You would have been so cute if you dressed as...
in the house.
You thought Coraline was in the house?
Yeah. I was like, whoa. It was like stop motion. I was like, oh my god.
Alright, Joe thought I was the stop motion. Alright. So for anyone who said I should have blue hair, that's gonna be a negative. It just don't suit me, you know? This is where you're supposed to say, it looks great.
I was gonna say you're be a babe no matter
No,
what.
I'm just joking. Gather my belongings and then we're gonna head on out. I feel like I should scoot this pin up a little more. Thanks, love. Really?
Yeah.
I want to see Coraline. Hoping I don't get beat up by all these kids at this mall. I'll tell you that. I brought my 3D glasses. We're gonna get some snacks. I think Joe's doing chicken tenders. I'm gonna do nachos. I was thinking about fries, but I think nachos it is. So yeah. In line to get some snacks.
What you want?
Nachos if they got it. I don't see it. Snacks. Got the snacks. Now we're waiting for the snacks. We ordered the snacks. Everyone's staring at me. Pretty sure some kids laughed. Got the nachos. Guys, it's so busy. Obviously, everyone's here to see Coraline and not Alien.
Thank you for offering your time between building Wildwood puppets to talk about the film and the puppet that started it all.
It's Coraline Jones.
So a lot of the structure for that film was built for that movie.
Back home. I'm back home and I'm so tired. The wig is looking kind of crazy. But it was a good time. I'm so glad that I dressed up. When we first got there, most of the people, they were the young people. They were like, and I'm like, even Joe was like, do you want to go this way from the car so people like can't see you? And I'm like, yeah. But then once I got in there, you guys, I was like, no, like life is too short. I love Coraline. Like, this is my girl. This is my movie. I'm living my life, okay? I'm coming to see something that I enjoy. And obviously other people that are there, they enjoy it too. So why should I feel embarrassed? Got into the movie. I was hoping to like get a few little clips of like our snacks and stuff, but there were so many people at the theater, so many people at the concession, so it was like a long line. So the movie started right when we walked in the theater and we sat down and whatnot. I will say though, not a lot of people laughed as much as I did, obviously. But even like last time when we saw it in the theater, like I think it was last year, the whole audience like laughed at all the inside jokes and stuff. So I don't know. But there was a kid next to me that was there with their mom, and so they were kind of like updating them on all the things of like what's happening in the movie. So I thought that was really cute. Afterwards, they shared a little bit of footage talking to all of the like costume designers, all of the people who were involved in making the film, and which I've seen a little bit of that before from the last viewing, but now like they were talking about how they can do a lot of stop motion on computer, which I thought was very interesting. And they were just saying like it doesn't take away the difficulty of the job of doing stop motion. It just, they can put that energy into something else, like into another department. So I thought that was interesting just to hear about like how much technology has changed, how they are trying to use some of the technology to help them and to help make the projects better and stuff like that. So I thought that was really interesting. They were just talking about how they still make different models of Coraline and how they do a lot of, they make a lot of her puppets so they can do stills, they can do still photography and post it, which I don't know if you guys follow Leica or Coraline, but that's interesting that they said that, because all the time they post photos of her like just on a random adventure, and I'm just like, oh, this is interesting. Like, I wonder where these photos came from, and I just thought maybe they shot them all back then and they're just reusing them, but no, they actually like still do like still photography with her with her models, her puppets and stuff like that. So I thought that was really cool. But yeah, definitely go check out Coraline in theaters while you can and dress like Coraline, okay? Because you guys will not regret it. A few of the girlies after, they wanted to get a photo of Coraline, so I grabbed a few photos with people. Also a dad, we were sitting in the front after trying to catch like the behind the scenes stuff. And the dad like saw me, he's like, oh nice. He was like, I tried to bring my Coraline blanket, but they didn't let me. And so then his daughter's like, yeah, I told my dad he needs to leave that at home. I was like, oh, you should have brought the Coraline blanket. And then there was another girl who had walked past me a few times and she was like, oh my God, I like your outfit. I'm like, thanks. Then she walked past again and she was like, your hair clip. And so then we were just talking about all Coraline's fashion. I am so ready for bed, guys. The outfit, it was a success. I've definitely sized down on these if you get them. But go bed. Jill already went to work. Look at how plain my bedroom is since it's plain. I was sweating in these boots, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna wash my face. I hope you enjoyed this little vloggy vlog. Don't forget to check out Coraline. And thank you so much to Leica Studios for treating me to another experience of Coraline. I love you guys. I will see you guys in the next vlog. Be sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if maybe this is something we can do. Like maybe this is something I can start doing where I dress up to like go see movies or something. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. But I love you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you on the other side. Not on the other side because Coraline goes back. Bye guys.